Oh!
Received a purple iPhone 14 Pro Max from a fan. Judging by its appearance, this phone has suffered a severe drop. All four corners of the antenna are slightly cracked. The screen is severely shattered. The screen can still light up and boot, but it shows purple, white, and green lines. Why do all these colored lines appear after a hard drop? We use tweezers to press the bottom of the screen to simulate pressure during impact. You'll notice that pressing different positions shows vertical lines in different colors to understand why they're white, green, or pink. We need to talk about how the screen is manufactured. If you've watched this far, you're definitely a loyal fan. Please double tap the screen to like. You've worked hard. Thank you. I recently had a toothache and went to the doctor, so I've been tired and late updating videos. Hope you understand and thank you for the support. Many fans have called to ask how I am. Thank you all for your care and love. Quick question. What phone are you using now? We open the phone. It's confirmed this phone is being disassembled for the first time. Remove the metal shield to disconnect the battery, display, touch, and sensor cables. Remove the screen. Let's take a look at Apple's screen. It's OLED, connected by a flex cable at the screen's bottom. This means any damage to the bottom can cause lines or failure to display. The bottom half is more critical than the top half. Now looking at the midframe, there's no major visible issue, but all four corners show antenna cracking. The midframe also shows signs of wear and heavy impact. After discussion, the fan chose to replace it, so we'll need to disassemble all internal components, including the logic board, front and rear cameras, earpiece, and speaker. The earpiece connects via these two contact points to the logic board. The board has several large screws. Let's remove them. Here's the power flex, antenna, and charging port cables. Remove the SIM tray. Now we can remove the motherboard. Take it out and inspect it. Check for any signs of cracking or deformation as it's a dual-layer board. Inspection shows the motherboard is intact and looks great. Now let's remove the rear camera. It's protected by a large metal plate. Remove that to take out the camera. Store it safely. The LiDAR module is encrypted. We'll remove that too. Now for the vibrator and speaker. Remove the speaker. Then the vibrator. Pull off the battery adhesive strips. Some people quietly watch the video, but they secretly like, comment, share, repost, favorite the video, and follow. Such people are so cute. Remove the battery. Now all encrypted and critical components are disassembled. The fan's rear camera lens protector is shattered. Let's discuss. Should iPhone camera lenses be protected? Take out an original used housing. Clean off the leftover adhesive. If you like the video, feel free to send me a gift in the comments. Thank you. Remove the LiDAR on the replacement housing. Install the pink LiDAR module. Since modern screens are OLED, they work using rows and columns of RGB subpixels. Each vertical column is controlled by a data line, and horizontal rows by scan lines. When the pixel gate is open, the ground signal writes data. When it's closed, no data is written, knowing. This helps explain the green line. A column of green subpixels failed, showing up as a bright green line. That's the big picture. To be accurate, you need to inspect under magnification. If you've learned something, please like, share, and comment. You've worked hard. If you haven't followed yet, please do. Let's reinstall the vibrator, speaker, logic board, rear and front cameras. Clean the inside of the new housing, reconnect all flex cables, wipe dust off the battery, add new adhesive to the battery, use a roller to press it flat and stick it. Some people quietly watch the video, but they secretly like, comment, share, repost, favorite the video, and follow. Such people are so cute. Install the battery, press it in and clean dust again, clean leftover glue from the frame edges. Some people quietly watch the video, but they secretly like, comment, share, repost, favorite the video, and follow. Such people are so cute. After cleanup, apply a new waterproof seal. The fan shows a brand new original screen. Take it out. The box includes new screws. This is a full original OEM display. Install it, reconnect display, sensor, and battery flex. Use the included new screws for reassembly. Some people quietly watch the video, but they secretly like, comment, share, repost, favorite the video, and follow. Such people are so cute. Clean and dust again. Peel off waterproof seal backing. Peel off Face ID protector. Close the screen. Don't screw the bottom yet. Put the phone in the original pressure fixture to ensure optimal seal between screen, glue, and housing. After pressing, insert the bottom screws. Since we used original parts, hold volume up/down and plug in charger to enter post-repair diagnostics. Choose simplified Chinese and connect Wi-Fi. Agree to terms. On the computer, open Apple's diagnostic tool. Click System Configuration. The phone will pair the screen to itself and sync the serial number and display info to Apple's server. Once complete, it will say, Kit complete. Use a current measuring cable to boot the phone. No warning messages. True Tone works. And about this iPhone, it says original Apple part. The repair is listed on Apple's service record. Third-party or used screens don't match original in durability, sensitivity, or color accuracy. Finally, test all functions. Since we used the replaced housing, clean the corners and edges. Check final results. Some people quietly watch the video, but they secretly like, comment, share, repost, favorite the video, and follow. Such people are so cute. Would you choose this type of repair for your phone? Aside from the screen, can you tell it was repaired? Let's discuss in the comments. Power off and clean the phone. Package it with the old housing to return to the fan. Thanks to every fan for the support. Double tap if you like the screen. If you haven't followed yet, please do.